Yetti litter, a little over 3.5 weeks old. First foods this week. Hi, babies. They've started eating earlier this week. So this is maybe their 4th time eating. They're vocal little puppies. You guys got opinions, huh? You like that? And this is, we start them on raw food. So it's ground bone-in chicken, fresh beef liver, ground beef, spirulina, kidney, heart, fresh kefir. Hi, babies. That's right. It's good stuff, huh? And as they're growing, we just continue to make noise while they're eating so that we desensitize them. He's got a lot of words. That's right, guys, huh? Hey, hi, Papa. Hi, Bubba's. Yeah, you are the boy, huh? Oh, both Bubba. Yeah. So we have one. This is the female. And the other 3 are males. Come on. Good job, handsome face. Over here. Yeah, they're almost 4 weeks. They'll be 4 weeks old on Saturday.